Welcome to Story World. Today's story name is The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. There was a cap seller. He used to go from village to village to sell his caps. Once he was going to a village to sell the caps. His way lay through a thick forest. He was tired, so he lay down under a shady tree to rest. He fell asleep in a few minutes. There lived monkeys on the branches of the tree. They came down, took away all the caps, and wore them. They climbed up the tree. After a while, the cap seller woke up. He found his caps missing. Suddenly, he looked up. He saw each monkey wearing a cap. He cried out to them to throw down his caps, but in vain. He did not lose heart. He knew that monkeys are imitators, so he took off its caps and threw it down. The cap seller at once collected all the caps and went away happily. The moral of the story is wisdom is powerful than strength. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.